I don't think there's a restaurant in America that doesn't have a chicken Caesar salad on the menu. I'd like to take something really traditional and do it with a twist. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to take the croutons and put it on the outside? So I'm going to make a chicken Caesar salad sandwich. So I'm going to start with ciabatta, and I'm going to put it on a sheet tray and bake it at 350 for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's just a little toasted. Next thing is the pancetta. So I'm going to take 8 slices of pancetta and just put them out in a single layer on a sheet tray. And I'm going to bake it along with the ciabatta until it's nice and crisp like bacon. Okay, last 2 pieces. Into the oven, 350 degrees. This one for 5 to 7 minutes, this one for 15. I cooked some chicken for the sandwich. Actually, I find this is such a great way to do it. It's on the bone with the skin on, olive oil, salt and pepper, 350 degrees, 35 minutes. It's really moist. Perfect. So the best part of this sandwich is the garlicky Caesar dressing that I'm going to make for it. First, I'm going to start with garlic. Right into the food processor. Okay, next, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Okay, that's about 2 tablespoons. Right in the food processor. Next thing is anchovy paste, critical for Caesar dressing. 1½ teaspoons. Anchovy paste gives this really great flavor. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Just process that until the garlic and the parsley are minced. Great. Okay, now some lemon juice. About 1½ tablespoons. Okay. 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Okay, just make a nice smooth sauce. And that's Caesar dressing. So first, I'm going to slather this sandwich. And the toasted bread really is going to absorb all this great sauce. Okay, time to layer the sandwich. First, I'm going to start with a layer of baby arugula, if you can find it. It's nice and peppery. It's great with this. Okay, the next thing is sun-dried tomatoes. This is going to make about 5 or 6 sandwiches. The next thing is Parmesan cheese. I think it's so much nicer if you have like a whole slice of it right on top. Next is the cooked pancetta, right down the middle. So the next thing is the chicken. So I'm just going to take the skin off. And then I'm just going to slice it and put it right on the sandwich. Okay, right onto the sandwich. Just right down the middle. Okay, a little salt and pepper. Right on top of the chicken. And pepper. The last thing is some arugula right on top. Put the top on and just slice it in sandwiches. Oof, this is gonna be really good. I don't know if we'll get any work done, but it'll be delicious. We're all gonna need a nap instead of getting any work done. We can get this one on.